To create invitation card in Canva, you want to come to your Canva homepage and make sure the template is selected like this. And you want to search the templates and search for invitation card. If there is a specific type of invitation card you want to create, maybe a wedding invitation, a birthday invitation, a get together, child dedication invitation card, whatever that is, you can add the keyword here to the invitation card. Or if you just want to explore the whole Canva library to see what catches your attention, you can just search this invitation card. You can now scroll through to find something that works for you. I'm going to click on this template, click on customize this template. Once the templates open, depending on what you are using the invitation card for, you can start to customize your template. One thing you want to do to understand your template better is to click on any elements. All these items on the page are called elements. You want to click on any one and come to position, go into layers to make sure you see everything that is laid out on your design page. Just from here, I'm going to take out this website because it's not needed for my RSVP, and I'm going to tweak the dates. If you want to add a QR code here, you can come over to the Canva element library and search QR code, and the QR code generator will come up, and you paste your form link to this place and come down here to customize how you want your QR code to look. If you want it to blend with the background, for you to understand this color better, let's click on a shape, circle shape. I'll use the eyedropper tool and click on the background. You see that blends very well. And I will go into this color again for me to know what the hex code of the color is. By double tap, I can copy this hex code, copy, and I will go back into my form generator and change this white color into this hex code. I'm going to change this color to something yellowish so it blends with the color of the design. Let's see. Yeah, so this works. Once I have these settings, I'm going to click on generate code. I want to reduce the size and click on this text, delete it, bring this QR code and reduce it. You see the background blends perfectly well with the background of my design, and the yellow color works with what I'm already working on. Once you have everything okay, another thing you can do is to test out how your design is going to look on different colors. Let's duplicate this page and come into this page and go over to design and come into styles and want to text our color palette on it. You see that changes things up. Yes, so now that I still left the shape in there, let me click here, delete the shape, click here, delete the shape. You can switch things up to see what the best options you have for your design. So we have two options now. You see how it looks on the first page, see how it looks on the second page. Whichever one that works for you. When you're happy with what you want to work with, you click on share here and come over to download. You see the file type is on PNG. We want to get that into PDF print since we are going to be printing this and we just want to print page 2 only. Let's deselect this and select page 2. Click on done, and we don't want it for digital. We want to print a paper copy. We choose CMYK and click on download. So you can now take the downloaded file to a professional printer to get it printed.